Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Remotask account. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to go into remotask.com, as you can see right here with the S at the end. So from here, once you are now in the Remotask website, you want to click here on sign up or click on start earning today, whichever you prefer. So let's just click on sign up right here. And then from here, what you want to do is you can continue with Facebook or Google depending on your preference. So you want to make sure that you tick this box first. And then from here, we'll just go with Google for this example. And now once you have successfully signed up using your Google account or Facebook, is that you'll be prompted here. So these are the steps that we'll be taking in creating our Remotask account. So the first one would be to personalize our profile. The next thing is the intro to Remotask, and then lastly the security training. So now click on the next button right here to proceed. And now from here, you would need to confirm your information. So just provide all of this right here. Now, once you have provided all of this information, now we will proceed to the introduction to Remotask. As you can see right here, just click on start. And then now from here, you can see that there are a lot of information that Remotask will be providing you. And it's very important that you read all of this because this is essential in order for you to get started working here in Remotask. And there will be some sample quiz later on, but don't worry, it will be easy as long as you read all of this and understand this so that you will be able to maximize Remotask. And just click on continue right here, and then the next step now is security. So this is where you can have the training, and you want to read all of this right here. So I recommend reading all of that, understanding it, and so on. Just click on continue until you are all done right there. And now, as you can see, here it is. Here is the quiz that I was telling you about. So don't worry, this is very simple. So let's just answer this. You should never install unauthorized software to your computer. So this is true. And then you want to click on check answer. And then if it's correct, you can now click on continue. Same goes for this one right here, which is this one is the answer. So I'm just going to click on continue. And your friend wants to learn more about the task you're working on. Can you tell your friend? The answer is no, because it is confidential. Right here. And then number 6 would be you're working in a very cool project and want to share it on your social media, but you're not disclosing. No, you cannot post it because again, it is confidential. And then lastly is phishing emails or fake emails that appears to come from a trusted sender. So I'm just gonna go for false. Oh, as you can see, the answer is wrong, so it's true, and it would appear just like this one right here. And don't worry, you can just change your answer and check answer again, and then you can now click on continue. As simple as that. And now, as you can see, we are committed to responding to complaints, concerns, and reports raised from you, so you can just report to Remotask if any problem occurs. And some more informations right here that you should understand. So these are your pay right here. So these are task logs. This is where you can see how much you're getting money, and click on continue once you're done. And then now you can start the tasking right here by clicking on start tasking, and then let's just wait for it to load. And then from here, quick survey. So you would need to finish this in order for Remotask to be able to give you the best job for you that matches your skills. So right here, the survey is here. So click on the survey, and then from here, just simply go and provide your PC specs right here so that Remotask would know what task can you handle. So click on start. And basically, these are all just personal information about your PC. In my case, I'll just go for mid, and I'm gonna go for this one. And for the VRAM, I'm just gonna go for 4 gigabytes. And the internet connection, I'm gonna go for high. And after that, you can now click on continue once you've completed all of this, and then now you can click on start tasking. So what you need to do now is you want to click here and make sure and you check this box so that you can click on continue. And then there it is. So the next thing would be we will now be redirected into our dashboard right here. So you click on back to dashboard, and as you can see, your task queue is currently empty. So if you would want some tips on how you can get the jobs right here on Remotask, then I have my other video for that. For this video, we are just only focusing on creating your Remotask account. And as you can see, we have now created it. And from here, Another thing that you should set up before you get started with the job is that you want to click on your name, and from here go into account. And now what you want to do is go into payment and make sure that your payment information is connected right here. So that is basically it for this video and how you can create your Remotask account. Thank you for watching.